Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, your host, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. This is the home of the Baby Knockout, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition, ladies and gentlemen. We've been very, very successful here. It is a bull, these are bull markets that we're in right now, gold and silver. You're gonna have stocks go up, we're gonna go way down. This is the bull market of bull markets, ladies and gentlemen. I'll talk more about that tomorrow when I'm relaxed and walking around by the lake. That way you can be calm and all that good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. But congratulations to all of you. You were early, you were accurate, and you were on time. We're a very, very small group, underground, ladies and gentlemen. You see, Mickey D's underground. Those guys are doing things, in the tunnels. No, just kidding, just kidding. But you guys are, you're battle tested. The moment is never too much for you. You have a high level of confidence in all these stocks, ladies and gentlemen. For that, some of you have been inducted into the Baby Knockout Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, yes. Congratulations to you. It's an honor. It's an honor to be in the Baby Knockout Hall of Fame. Some like it and some don't. Well, love it, love it, ladies and gentlemen, because no one can deny that between 2020, between 2020 and 2030, let's say it goes another few years or so. It's 2026 now. Let's say it goes to 2030. You are part of the greatest, one of the biggest, largest, whatever you want to use, bull market in commodities of a long time. It's been a while, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, we had some news. The news came from Washington, and this was good news for our rare earths, good news for all our commodities, ladies and gentlemen. The president's going to put billions toward this stockpile of rare earths, so we're never caught with our pants down again. That's what he's going to try and do. It's only got a few years to do it, but he's going to try and do it. So we'll see, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to show you here, you Hall of Fame inductees. Let me show you. Your name will be forever sketched, ladies and gentlemen. Like you have your own star at the Hollywood Walk of Star. Well, you're in the Baby Knockout Hall of Fame. Congratulations. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you this, what the president has done that can make you a one stock millionaire someday. If you're willing to be patient and hold, you can be a one stock millionaire one day based on our rare earth stock, where he's going to be putting some of this billions at. If it's an in-house, then our companies, ladies and gentlemen, especially our number ones in rare earth, they're going to do very, very well. Very, very well. Hold on. Pullbacks, just add, because these stocks are going up. Washington, there's on both sides of the aisle, Democrats and Republicans, they both agree that we can never, ever be caught with our pants down again when it comes to rare earths. I've been talking about this, been writing about this for years and years and years, ladies and gentlemen. But I think somebody in Washington now gets it. Can't be caught with your pants down. You're young in Switzerland. Shout out to you, my man. Sam, I see you on Twitter, X, from time to time. I haven't been putting a lot of stuff on X ever since the election. I thought there were some things going on, so I kind of stepped back now. But now that main guy on Twitter is out of the political picture, we can do some things. We can do some things. So Sam, I'll be seeing you over there, and all you others, Frank and everybody over at Twitter also. In Switzerland. Yuri in Switzerland. He's in the Netherlands. Ask a really good question about the Baby Knockout newsletter. He was asking and I'm sorry I forget your name, but he was asking What do you mean, Mickey D, when you say stay the course? When I say stay the course, and I say that a lot on a lot of those stocks, that means, you know, the course is when it goes down 15 to 20%, you're looking to add. We're looking to add to that position, or we're looking to take initial positions when these stocks go down, when our rare earths, uraniums go down. Especially stuff that's hot right now, you're looking to really pullbacks like we had with the silver. You're looking to take positions, and add to your positions on those stocks. When I say stay the course, you're not looking to sell. You're not looking to sell. We're looking pullbacks and up because the stock is going to go much, much higher. Much, 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 much higher. It's not going to go straight. It's not going to go straight. We're going to have some bumps in the road, but we're going up, up higher. Let me show you this article, guys. I don't want to take too much of your time up. Let me show you what time it is. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, baby knockout GOAT. Ladies and gentlemen, Trump unveils $12 billion mineral reserve to counter China. Now, that's a start. 12 billion is a start, ladies and gentlemen. He's going to put some more into it, I suspect, in due time. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, we need what we can get. You know, just you see the bags of rare earths that wait to transport at the mine, the Mountain Pass, which is the mine there in California, Nevada border area there. Uh, let's see what it says here. President Trump formally announced plans to launch a $12 billion critical mineral stockpile in his latest effort to aid manufacturers while minimizing resist, uh, reliance on Chinese rare earths. Ladies and gentlemen, that that reliance on Chinese rare earths in them having us over our heads over a bridge, that is what is behind all of this. And that's what's been behind a lot of his movements over the last few years. I mean, he's done everything but invaded, threatened to invade, take over, beat people down. The so-called Project Vault is meant to ensure that the American businesses and workers are never harmed by any shortages, Trump said on Monday. You know, we want we I can't get my Trump boy. We don't ever. I'm a bad Trump man. We don't ever want to go through what we went through over the last year, and he's right. You know, getting our butts beat down by the Chinese when it comes to these rare earths. I've said for a long time now, and I'm continue to say it. We need to get our own, and that's that. Trump unveils the 12 billion mineral reserves to counter China, and that's what it's about, ladies and gentlemen. That's all it's about. You Hall of Fame members, baby knockout trading strategy, how beginner investors became millionaires. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of you are mentioned in this book. So make sure you grab a copy of it. It's us, it's for us, and we love it, ladies and gentlemen. We love it. So I'll have some links for you. Grab a hardback, man, because you want your kids and everybody to know about this, and you participated in this, and the strategies there, and you're listed in here as a Hall of Fame, a baby knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the home of the baby knockout, where we knock out the stock market competition, ladies and gentlemen. It's a stock scoop with the baby knockout GOAT, Mickey D. I want to thank you once again for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all you 2026 Baby Knockout Hall of Fame inductees. Congratulations. You guys deserve it. You deserve it. Like I said, we're a small group, ladies and gentlemen. We have, like Mark said earlier, we have loyalty, to one another. I can't believe early on, a lot of you have, they put all these nasty things on, on these bulletin boards, and who is, just some of the things they said about moi, but we've hung in there and we've gone through all this. And for some of you, 1 million, for some of you, 2 million, for some of you, $3 million later, $5 million later, you're able to smile about it, because we were right and some of those guys were wrong. They're back on the job where you're maybe probably retired or so. So it's a great time. Like I said, we're gonna get one stock millionaires here on some of these stocks because of the moves that are being made in Washington. Do we like everything that Washington is doing right now? Hell no. We don't like a lot of that stuff. But some of the moves they're making right now when it comes to securing America, especially America's rare earths, they're coming to our side. They're chasing us. We were there. We've been there for years. And so we just sit tight and let them chase us. We're in the driver's seat, ladies and gentlemen. You baby knockout investors are winners. I'm just so grateful. You guys, thank you for listening to me all these years. Thank you for being part of the show. Whether it's good or bad, whether you're on another channel or another, so defending what we do as baby knockout champions. I heard one guy on his show because people were asking. He said, "What the hell is a baby knockout?" you know, so they know now because we're in the house, ladies and gentlemen. We're underground, but we're there. We're there. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Once again, thank you. I can't thank you enough. You need strength, you need energy, you need guidance. Look up, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where you're going to get it. Take care. Love you, and God bless you.